How to save 35% on Binance fees under 5 minutes. There are 3 ways to reduce your trading fees. The first method is to use a referral code when you first sign up on the Binance exchange. Just click on the link in the description and it will apply automatically. You will get a 10% discount on fees for life. In case you already have an account without a kickback rate, you can still use this method. Simply create a new account with a different email and use my referral link below to get this discount. You are allowed to have multiple accounts as long as you don't refer yourself. So there is no reason to leave money on the table when all it takes is 5 minutes to create a new email and click the link below to get this bonus. The second method is very easy, but a lot of people still don't use it. Simply go to your dashboard by clicking here on your email address and activate the Pay with BNB option. You will instantly get an additional 25% discount on the Binance fees. Instead of paying the fees in the coin that you're trading, you will now pay with the BNB token. Make sure that you have enough BNB to use on your trades. The third and final method is not for everyone, but if you trade a lot and you have enough BNB, you can be upgraded to higher levels. Here you can see the fee schedule according to the different VIP levels. You start on level 0 and will have your fees reduced progressively as you rank higher. This can be quite significant for large traders that buy and sell high amounts. For most users though, you can stick with the first 2 methods, which combined already give you a 35% discount on the Binance fees. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe for the best tips on everything related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Until next time!